Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Vechain, guys. In this video I'm talking about the Vechain latest update. What's the right now price of the Vechain? What's the right now changes occur in the Vechain? Is the price pump? Is the price dumps? Let me show you in the market, guys. Before starting this video, I request everybody, especially at this time, those people who listen my voice, so I request all of you guys that please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Vechain. The current live price of the Vechain in the market, you can see here, guys, that the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes occur in the Vechain is completely negative. The price very badly decreased. The latest situation is very bad, but guys, does not mean that if the price falls down in the latest situation, so every time the price will be false. No, guys, personally I believe, I also told in my many videos, guys, that if the price falls down, so I'm sure that after some passage of time this price will become increase. So guys, what do you think about Vechain? What is the future? Is in the future possibilities that price will pump? Tell me in the comment box. The right now price of the Vechain in the market is 0.129916 USD dollar. That is the right now price of the Vechain in the market. Anyways, guys, what you think about Vechain? What is your price prediction about Vechain? Please also share in the comment box. And guys, I believe that the huge pump of the Vechain are coming soon at the last of August. From 28th August, the price of the Vechain will start pumping. What do you think? Tell me in the comment box, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.